Welcome back to my Android Studio tutorial on using my SQLite database. So in this one we are going to, this is part 4, yeah, we're going to add a delete button to this thing. So the first thing we're going to do is, there's not really any room over there. I don't know, I guess we can put it down here, sure. So we'll call this delete and button delete. Cool. So the first thing we'll do is go over to our database helper and create our integer delete method. It's going to take one parameter, it's going to be the ID. So first thing you do, as always, reference your database, just like that, just like in every single one of these methods. And this one's short, you just need to use the delete method, it's built in. Reference the table, use the piece of information that you want to reference to delete. So remember that this must match what you have up here. So that, like, you can't put a lowercase d or anything here, it won't work. Okay, so that's it. That's it, I think. Yep. So we're going to go over to an activity, and now we're going to create our, first we got to create our variables. So, what was it, edit text? No edit text, just a button. Button delete. So we create a new button delete equals button, find the ID, delete. Cool. And we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and create our last method. The very last one. Very exciting. So you can do a ton with my SQLite. It's really powerful, I think. So we're going to do the same thing as we did up here to check if the user had actually put in an ID and then prompt them with a message if they didn't. Was it edit text ID? Yeah. So if temp is greater than 0, we'll do stuff, and if not, then we're going to give them a big old toast. Big old toast saying you goofed. Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be an integer type. Oops. I think I can, let's call it delete row. So that's what it's actually doing. So we're going to call our delete data function here, like function we made here. Delete data, and it takes your string of your ID, so edit text ID. We have to typecast it to a string because it takes a string. So if delete row is greater than 0, because delete row is an integer, then it means everything worked properly. Oh, I already have one copied, so I can just do that. So, successfully deleted the data. Let's make that a capital, sure. Else, we'll say something wrong. Something went wrong. I think that's all there is to it, actually. Let's run the emulator and take a look. Oh, I always forget this. I gotta put the method in here, delete data. Hopefully it doesn't screw up my emulator. It's gonna blow up now. Actually, it didn't take long. Okay, so we will go view data. Oh. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, I wasn't ready. Okay. View data. So we're going to delete this guy here, Mitch, with the email jelly@google.ca. So we just put an ID 4, get rid of this keyboard, and hit delete. Yeah, successfully deleted the data. So if we view data, that one's gone. Okay, so that's all there is to it for this tutorial. This is the end of the series of 4. Not sure what my next one will be, but keep tuning in. Thanks for watching.